Hey guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so stinking excited today. I am choosing so hard because today I'm going to do a wash day. I've changed my wash routine just a little bit, so I'm updating it with this video. But guess who is featuring? My girl Natural 85 and Melanin Hair Care. Right about the time I was going to buy this, and let's see if you guys can see. Right about the time I was going to buy this, I had gotten my locks like back earlier in the winter, or I thought I was going to get it. And I didn't want to buy this big old bottle if I was going to be getting my hair locked. But then I was thinking, you know what? This is for natural hair, and our locks are natural hair. So I actually bought two. One for me, and I also bought a pure natural oil blend. But I also bought one for one of you guys. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is to subscribe and to follow me on Instagram and leave a comment on this video saying why you would like to win the giveaway. So the giveaway includes a African black soap reviving shampoo from Natural 85's Melanin Hair Care line. I'll also be giving away the Melanin multi-use pure oil blend. This video is not sponsored. This video is not like affiliate or anything like that. I just really was excited and wanted to try these products, and I love and appreciate you guys. And thank you so much for watching my video. So I want to be able to give something to you too. So make sure that you subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and comment below why you should win. And I will inbox you on Instagram, which is why you definitely need to be following me on Instagram. And this is going to end on November the 6th at midnight Central Standard Time. So there you go. All right, so let's get into it. Like I said, I'm doing a wash day. My hair hasn't been washed in a little bit over 2 weeks, and I've been noticing just a little bit of dryness. To maintain my hair and to keep my curly ends in between time, I've just been spritzing with water. And then I also have been using this like rice water hair milk that I have that I love to use from my lactation. But I'm starting to get a little bit of like tangling and stuff, and I'm just noticing that my hair just feels like it needs to be cleaned. There's some buildup along my roots. Like I mentioned to you guys before, I like to do my braiding and banding based on how I'm going to wear my hair after that. And what I'm going to try today is, instead of banding the ends, I'm going to try going ahead and rolling the ends of my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and braid, and then I'm going to use one of these rollers like this. I'm going to go ahead and get to braiding and rolling instead of braiding and banding, and then we're going to see how this turns out in the end.
¿Cómo estás, mami? Te quería preguntar ¿cómo remix si estás pa' mí? ¿O estás para los demás? Mi amor, no pares, de ti siempre quiero más. La luna te la bajaré con estrellas en el mar. Tú eres la chica que mueve el movimiento. Eso significa que tu cuerpo también. Me han contado que a ti te gusta lento. O sea, el proceso, me imagino lo otro también. Cuando te va a ver, hace mucho fue que me disfruto. Quieres más que yo. La vida está para el amor, tanto miel de esa flor. Quiero más de ti, amor. Mi amor, no pares, de ti siempre quiero más. Tú eres más que ese pared que hace hermoso mirar. Mi amor, no pares, de ti siempre quiero más. La luna te la bajaré con estrellas en el mar.
Okay guys, so I'm all done braiding and rolling. I'm interested to see how this ends up turning out. I did put the rollers on pretty snug, and as per the usual, my hair is fine and low density, so I don't end up with that many braids. I do one on this side, and I make sure my part stays where my part's gonna be on my hair. And so I got plenty of room also to get my stuff in here. Normally what I would do is I would actually get in the shower and have my hair wet, and then I would apply. I use the applicator method. So one thing that I like about this already is that it comes with an applicator on there, because girl, come on now, like that's the easiest way to get the product in your hair is by using an applicator. It's so direct. And if you watched my other video, you know that I actually keep my shampoo with just a little bit of water mixed in an applicator. This one seems kind of like, I don't know, I haven't opened it all the way. Let's open it up. So this one is still very like shampoo texture like. So let me get a little bit on my fingers so you guys can see. It's very like tacky like. So I don't know if I need to mix this with water, but for this first time, I'm not going to mix it with any water. I'm just going to put it directly on my hair. So now I'm going to apply it. So just for comparison, this is the normal applicator bottle that I used, and then this is hers, so this one is a little bit bigger than the one that I used. But what I am going to do is, since I'm not going to be doing my hair in the shower so I can show you guys, is I'm going to spray it with some water first. So let's go around.
Pero espectacular, la forma de cómo me hablas pa' mí es tan peculiar para ser niños.
Okay, so my hair is nice and wet now, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with the concentrating this on my roots, because as you guys know, you're supposed to cleanse your scalp. You don't necessarily have to get a whole bunch of this on your hair.
Sí me gustaría entrenar, porque haciéndolo contigo me siento fenomenal. Que eso fluya, que el amor y la culpa es tuya. Cuando me hablas eso a mí me arrulla. Por eso es que quiero más. Quieres más que yo. La vida está para el amor.
Okay guys, so I'm out of the shower and I actually have gotten most of the moisture out of my hair with this t-shirt. And so let us see if I lost any rollers. So I didn't lose any rollers. It doesn't look like that one's right, that one's right, that one's right. Oh, my hair kind of came out of that one, so I will need to fix that one. So let me fix this one real quick. Just re-roll this one here. Bit better. And I never do a braid out with just like braiding my hair because it just ends up falling flat, but it looks like for the most part everything stayed intact. So my scalp is super clean. So here you guys go. My scalp is super clean. You guys can see there, it feels really great. They're washed out easily. Whenever I take these braids down, I'm going to actually use some of this multi-blend oil to take down the braids, and we'll see how it all feels. But for now, I still have the cap on it. I haven't used this one yet. I actually am about to go and try to take a nap or something. So I'm going to cover my hair with my satin line cap. And my hair still has enough breathability with this thing on to like continue to dry, but it doesn't get my pillow all wet, since I have used this t-shirt to get most of the hair out of my, most of the moisture out of my hair. So I'm gonna put this on. This is a size medium, so it actually fits very tight, and I just tuck my rollers underneath it, and that way I also don't look a fool walking around the house. So I'm just gonna put this on, tuck all my stuff underneath here, and it makes it easier to lay down in. It fits pretty snug on. I'll leave this in the description below as well in case anybody's interested in this. This will keep my hair from getting frizzy too while it dries, because I don't like tying my hair down. It makes my head hurt. So all right, I am all ready to go. Once this dries and I get ready to take it down, I will come back to you guys and show you what it ended up looking like. I might be on to the next new thing, braiding and rolling instead of braiding and banding. We will see. Guys, it's the next morning and I am going to be taking down my hair. Everything dried completely. Let's see how it turns out. It wasn't bad to sleep on at all.
Quería preguntar como remix si estás pa' mí o estás para los demás. Mi amor, no pares, de ti siempre quiero más. Tú eres más que ese pared y ese hermoso mirar. Yeah. Y mi amor, no pares, de ti siempre quiero más. ¿Cómo estás, mami? Te quería preguntar como remix si estás pa' mí o estás para los demás. Mi amor, no pares. chica que mueve el movimiento. Eso significa que tu cuerpo también. Me han contado que a ti te gusta lento. O sea, el proceso.
Okay, there it is, guys. Don't forget to join the giveaway if you would like to win your own set of Melanin hair care products. Bye!